according to Napoleon Hill, failures are blessings in disguise. I found this to be the absolute truth in our love story. Failing math 1-on-1, college algebra, wasn't just an academic challenge, but it was the path that led me to you.
Kirk, sobrang saya ko na dumating na nga tayo sa araw na ito dito sa harap ng Diyos para mangako ng panghabang buhay. Alam ni Lord na pinagdasal kita sa Silsila Center noong Sibol Peace Camp. Hindi pa kita napapansin noon. Natanong ko while praying kay Lord intimately kung sino kaya ang ibibigay niya sa akin panghabang buhay. Then and there, in that same peace camp, I met you.
I want to thank your parents, Mama Mary Ann and Papa Orly, and your Lola, and all your relatives for raising you so well. And looking at the woman you are, today, wala na akong mahihiling pa. For real, super!
Beauty! Kasi... Mother!
Finally, dumating na ang time na another journey na naman. So, sana kung ano yung gusto mong gagawin, be happy at saka support lang. Andito lang ako to support you.
To my mama, to my papa, actually, gusto ko i-share sa kanila na, I have the best wife that the world could ever offer. Best family to support me. Sister, atites, lahat. Buong talya de family Delpha. Ay, wow! Pwede, Yura. Iyak na talaga ako eh. Ang ayos.
Mukha ko si Lolo. Congrats and yun na, graduate na ako sa pagiging graduate na ako sa pagiging big sister niya ngayon. Papasko na siya sa kanyang wife na. So, I pray lang na as he goes nasa life na being married na ko sa kanya as her sister na dapat si God yung maging center ng marriage life nila.
Hindi siya love at first sight, but it was love that grew quietly and surely over time in God's perfect time. Dahan-dahan kitang kinilala. Ikaw pala yung maingay, masayahin, outgoing, and friendly na tao. Everything that I am not. A total opposite of me. Pero sa lahat ng pagkakaiba natin, doon kita mas na-appreciate. Kasi yung pagiging opposite mo, yun pa lang nag-compliment sa akin.
Di man ganun kasigurado sa tugon mo. Di na pagpapabukas pa. At sa wakas, umabot din.
Today, you become my wife and I become your husband. But you will forever be my meow. I'm thankful to everyone who has made our love story happen. And I thank God, most importantly, He's the reason for all of this. I'm so happy for our next chapter together to be better, for both of us, for the Lord, and for all the people who have walked this journey with us.
bigyan. Di mapigil
As we go to this next chapter,
kabahan.
parating sinasabi, wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. At the same time, I just wanted to be the best version of myself para sa'yo. Be the best husband, to be the best provider, to be the best person that cares for you. Let's go! Takakin natin tong buhay na to na tinakda sa atin ng Diyos. Right? Let's go!
I look forward to coming home to you, building our little world together. Now that we are beginning our married life from this day on, I promise to stand beside you through every season, no matter what comes our way.
At sa wakas, umabuti ka na. Itong oras ng pagsuyo maiharap sa may altar. Saksing kalangitan, sakali at sakali mang ako'y ang pagbigyan. Sa iyong tugon, nakasalalay pag-ibig ang panghabang buhay sa kalimang hindi umayay magsisisi ito'y sinubukan at sa wakas umabuti ka na. Itong oras ng pagsuyo maiharap sa may altar. Saksing kalangitan.
I promise to cheer you on, to believe in you, and to be your safe place and your strongest support. I promise to choose you every single day, in the big moments and in the smallest ones, again and again. Today and forever, you are my home. Mahal na mahal kita, Kirk.